When it comes to pre-analytics, having samples that are lost or bad sample integrity puts a burden on patients. We use AlinIQ Indexor, and we've been using it for about 1 year. Indexor has really helped to improve our customer service and gives us higher quality and confidence in those results. I would definitely recommend it if you have a large outpatient outreach volume. Before we adopted Indexor, we faced some challenges in the lab regarding sample handling. Sometimes there might be a tube missing, a lost specimen, erroneous results that the medical technologist will have to investigate. So being able to use Indexor to track patient samples and ensure quality is very important. One of the reasons we decided to go forward with Abbott is we were rapidly growing our outreach lab client service, and being able to put this tool into some of our high client offices is something that we can offer to ensure quality that even other reference labs can't. Once the decision was made to move forward with Indexor, implementation was very easy, very quick. It's a web-based program, so there's no software that needs to be installed at the collection sites. So just a quick 15-minute download onto the desktop was all. And then the bags that we use for the couriers, training was pretty quick, 10 to 15 minutes, just to show them what the bags can do, how they can monitor the temperature and the G-forces, and just the overall use of the bag. In the lab, it's just a matter of putting your racks into the docking station. You can do some other functions such as looking up samples. It's very easy to use. Instead of having to handle each and every tube, racks hold 60 samples. So we're able to quickly receive into the lab maybe 2 racks, which would be 120 samples just in a few seconds, rather than individually scanning all of the barcodes on those tubes. Another way we use Indexor is just for sample tracking. It's great to be able to tell your potential new client that I'll be able to see your samples before they even get to us. Call us and ask, when will the result be out? And we can actually tell you, look it up and say, well, the couriers picked it up, it's on the way to the lab, it'll be turned out in a couple of hours. Being able to have that visibility is a big thing. And the greatest thing that I'm proud about is since we've established Indexor in our lab, we haven't had any lost samples. In the future, we'd like to be able to use Indexor towards eliminating some of our biohazard waste and our plastic waste. There's actually new regulations out for CAP and for Joint Commission that challenges hospitals to be able to go green and reduce your carbon footprint. So we're going to be using Indexor to do that in the lab. Having high quality results and dependable results, good customer service is one of the highest things that we search for. So I personally have been very impressed with it.